everyone, welcome to the geography class of class 7th. We were doing lesson number 7, Europe, political division and the physical features. Topics discussed in previous video. We were doing physical features of Europe. In that, we have done the central plateau. Topics to be discussed in today's video. Today, we will continue with the physical features of Europe. In that, today we will discuss the southern mountains. The Alpine or the southern mountains. These mountains are young-fold mountains. Young-fold mountains mean they are formed recently and have conical peaks. Their ranges run parallel to one another. Ranges means group of mountains. These are volcanic mountains and active in nature. Means they can be erupt anytime. That is, their volcanic eruptions are common in this zone. Mount Etna and Mount Vesuvius are the active volcanoes of this region. So they are the name of the two active volcanoes, Mount Etna and Mount Vesuvius. The peaks of these mountains are high. Because they are young-fold mountains, their peaks are high. They have steep and deep valleys. Here the word valleys mean low-lying area between two mountains. They form almost an impossible barrier between the North Europe and the Mediterranean region. They lie in the south of the central plateau. Students, mark the point location. It stretches from the Atlantic Ocean in the west to the Caspian Sea in the east. Here the point extension. In the north of it is the Mediterranean Sea. The high mountains are characteristic of this system. The Alpine system has the Alps mountains as its center. Hence, the name Alpine mountain system has evolved. This system is a part of Mid-World Mountain Belt. Mid-World Mountain Belt. It is also called Mid-Continental Belt. This belt represents the weaker zone of fault mountains. This belt is noted for drastic earthquakes and have some of the very destructive volcanoes. For example, Mount Etna and Mount Vesuvius. This belt extends from the Pyrenees in Spain to Pamir Knot in the Central Asia and also extends into India and China. It forms a curved range which covers nearly most part of Switzerland and some parts of the countries of Austria, Italy, Germany and France. These young-fold mountains are the major sources of origin of rivers. Even hydrogeneration of electricity and power stations are settled up on these slopes. What do you mean by the word hydrogeneration? Electricity generated by falling water. These mountains are large reservoirs of minerals, forest and natural resources. They are also used for animal grazing. The most famous mountains are the Pyrenees, the Alps, the Carpathian, and the Balkans. The key features of these above mentioned mountains are as follows. Number 1. The Pyrenees Mountains. The Pyrenees Mountains. These mountains lie between Spain and France. This is the location of Pyrenees Mountains. They form the natural border between them. It means the Pyrenees creates a natural border between Spain and France. Further to the west lie the Cantabrian Mountains of northern Spain. The Pyrenees are a mountain range in southwest Europe. The mountain range stretches from the shores of the Mediterranean Sea on the east to the Bay of Biscay and Atlantic Ocean on the west. There are only 21 glaciers in the Pyrenees, 10 on the Spanish side and 11 on the French side. The amount of precipitation the range receives, including rain and snow, is much greater in the western than in the eastern Pyrenees because of the moist air that blows in from the Atlantic Ocean over the Bay of Biscay. The Alps Mountains. These are situated in southeastern part of France, Italy, Switzerland and Germany. So this is the situation or location of Alps Mountains. They are the center of the alpine system. These are Youngfall Mountains like the Himalayas. Youngfall Mountains means they are recently formed and have the conical peaks like Himalayas. The tunnels have been built for highways and railways. The Alps are affected by the cutting of rocks to build difficult terrains. Terrains means landforms. Mount Blanc, 4,810 meter, is the highest peak in Alps. It is on the French-Italian border. The Alps are the highest and the most extensive mountain range system that lie entirely in Europe, stretching approximately 1200 kilometers across 8 alpine countries: Austria, France, Germany, Italy, Monaco, Slovenia, and Switzerland. The mountains were formed as the African and Eurasian tectonic plates collided. The Alps are generally divided into Western Alps and Eastern Alps. The Western Alps are higher, but their central chain is shorter and much curved. They are located in France, Italy, and Switzerland. The Eastern Alps belong to Austria, Germany, Italy, Slovenia, and Switzerland. Mount Blanc at 4,809 meter is the highest peak in the Alps. The Alps receive a great deal of snow and rain. At high elevations, the snow turns to ice and then flows down to the valleys as glaciers. The tunnels have been built for highways and railways. The Alps are affected by the cutting of the rocks to build difficult landforms. The Carpathian Mountains. The eastern side of the Alpine Mountains divides it into two branches, forming the Carpathian Mountains and the Balkan Mountains in northern branch and the Generic Alps in southern branch. They run from northwest to southwest of the western border of Russia and spreads over Romania, Ukraine and Poland. The Carpathian Mountains or Carpathians are a mountain range system across Central and Eastern Europe. The highest range within the Carpathian is the Tatras on the border of Slovakia and Poland. Number D. The Balkan Mountains. It is a range of mountains stretching eastwards across Bulgaria from the Serbian frontier to the Black Sea. Number E. The Caucasus Mountains. They lie between the Black Sea and the Caspian Sea. They are located on the eastern side of the Alpine mountain system. They lie specially to the north of Georgia and separates Asia from Europe. Number F. The Apennine Mountains. The Apennines are a mountain range running 1400 km down the length of Italy from the northwest to the southern tip of the peninsula. It makes the spine of Italy. The Apennine Mountains form the exposed rocky backbone of Italy. The Apennines have three main parts: the northern Apennines, the central Apennines, and the southern Apennines. The Apennines are the location of many hydroelectric plants. The highest point of these mountains is Mount Corno. Let's inquire. The Carpathian mountain system extends southeastwards from southern Poland and Slovakia into Romania. Dinaric Alps is a mountain range in the Balkan that run parallel to the Adriatic coast from Slovenia in the northwest through Croatia, Bosnia and Montenegro to Albania in the southeast. Now, let us discuss some copy points that you are going to write on your copy. On the basis of the southern mountains, answer the following. Number 1. Location. The southern mountain system lies in the southern part of Europe. Number 2. Height. It consists of high ranges rising to over 4,000 meter. Number third point, important countries. The important countries are Switzerland, Austria, France, Germany, and Italy. Fourth point, important mountain ranges. The important mountain ranges are the Alps, the Pyrenees, the Carpathian, the Balkan Mountains, the Generic Alps, the Caucasus Mountains, the Apennine Mountains. Number fifth point is important peaks. The important peaks are Mount Blanc in Alps, Mount Elbrus in Caucasus Mountains in Europe. Number 6, volcanic mountains. Mount Etna and Mount Vesuvius are the volcanic mountains found here. Okay students, this is the end of the today's topic. I hope you understood the topic. You are able to solve some exercises by yourself. Don't forget to learn the copy points and don't forget to write it also. I will come with the next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.